Hi there! So here are the Sony CH510 Bluetooth headphones. These are available for $3,990 and there are a couple of things that I'm really excited about this product. Firstly, it's a Sony wireless headphone at that price, 35 hours battery life and USB-C quick charge. These seem like those headphones that just can't go wrong. So let's quickly unbox them, let's see how they sound and let's see if you should buy these or not. But before that, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. This is your friend TechSing. Let's get started. Here is the retail packaging of the box. First thing about the packaging is it's the smallest and thinnest packaging I've seen for a Sony headphone, and that's really good. These are blue color as the picture shown on the box. At the bottom it says 35 hours battery, Bluetooth. On the back the MRP is $4,999. On key features, 10 minutes charge can play up to 90 minutes, hands-free calling, voice assistant function to enable Google or Siri, and USB-C port. Let's quickly open the box. Inside we have the headphones, USB-C to USB charging cable and instruction guide. Let's keep it aside and have a look at the headphones. The headphones weigh in at 132 grams. It's made of good quality plastic and feels really sturdy. The ear cuffs actually swivel so you can pack them in a bag, easier for compact traveling. The headphones are definitely designed for use while traveling, as noted with their long-lasting battery life and design. The foam on the cups is really nice and soft. At the base of the right ear cup, you will find two volume controls along with the power button, mic for phone calls and USB-C port for charging. The back of the ear cups, you have this dot texture along with the Sony branding. They feel and look really nice. No NFC chip on board, nor is there a 3.5mm jack to use with the headphones with the aux cable. So you cannot use them with a device that doesn't have Bluetooth. Now that's a bummer. But I get it, when the battery life is 35 hours and if charged for 10 minutes can give you 90 minutes of playback, the jack can be skipped. However, having it would be really convenient. Coming to the fit, well, these are on-ear headphones. You can adjust the length from the side to get that perfect grip. They aren't too tight or loose and they have a good grip. Fits perfectly. It's not going to fall off and the ear cups are really comfy. Very lightweight, it doesn't warm or the ears don't pain even after long hours of continuous usage. The built-in microphone is very handy for phone calls. Tested it indoors and outdoors and there was no loss in quality. The opposite person had no problem hearing me. The Bluetooth connection was stable up to 30 feet away from the connected devices, thanks to Bluetooth 5.0, which not only helps maintain stable connection, but is also more power efficient. Talking about power efficiency, let's move on to the battery life. Sony claims 35 hours of music playback at 80% volume, USB-C quick charge so you can get 90 minutes of playback, which is 10 minutes charge. Absolutely brilliant. Now this is the biggest selling point for these headphones. In my brief use, the battery stood up extremely well. The device did take 4 hours to fully charge from 0 to 100, but I think that's quite good. Moving on to the sound quality. The sound quality on these Sony headphones is respectable. First of all, they're not for bass lovers. Instrument and vocals are pronounced and clear. Mids are enjoyable. Highs are polished and lows are crisp. No noise cancelling, but that would be too much to ask for. The sound doesn't bleed, so they're perfect to wear for a long flight or in a metro while you're traveling. You can enable Siri for iPhone and Google Assistant for any Android phone directly from your headphones, which I tested a couple of times and it worked as expected. Answer calls, ask it to make calls, change tracks, all taken care hands-free. So not everything about them is hunky-dory. There are a couple of downsides too. As mentioned before, no NFC chip on board, no 3.5 headphone jack, no waterproof rating, so you don't want to get caught in the rain while wearing these. No noise cancelling, no Sony app, no equalizer app control, no travel case, and I would recommend you get one from Amazon to keep the device safe unless you want to hang it around your neck, which looks cool too. Yeah, maybe I'm nitpicking and all these features come at a price and this is a budget wireless headphone from the Sony factory. So here are my final thoughts. The Sony 510s are very straightforward. They're made to be very long lasting and easy to use, have good sound quality and easy to travel with. On top of that, they're meant to be used for phone calls and give you full voice control over your phone with the integration of voice assistant. The minimalism of the design ensures that nothing unnecessary will get in your way. You can't go wrong with these. They're selling on Amazon and Flipkart for $3,990. They're available in 3 colors, black, blue and white. I'll leave the links of all in the description. Do check them out if you like to buy one. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments and give me your feedback. Also, if there are any questions, do put them down. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.